Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. In this tutorial I will show you the main rules and features of creating a high bun. I would like to note right away that the most important aspect of creating this hairstyle is the positioning and direction of the ponytail and the bun itself. Right now you can see the correct version of the hairstyle direction and incorrect one. What do all the high buns you see on the screen now have in common? That's right, it's the shape and direction of each hairstyle. Shape, shape and shape again. Let's start with a version of the hairstyle where the shape is done incorrectly. I am making a ponytail quite low. From the back side it may seem to you that it is high, but from the side you can see that it is at the level of the eyes or even the nose. That's why when creating high hairstyles we always check ourselves from the side. I will not make this bun completely flat so that we can fairly compare it with the second bun option, but I am also not trying to make the side elements too voluminous. With such division and too low placement of the tail, we get long and voluminous elements, which don't add beauty to our hairstyle. In the process of making the bun, I am also not lifting it too high. Also again, from the back at this moment, you may think that you are making a really high bun, but then you finish the hairstyle and look at your customer from the side, you're in for an unpleasant surprise. To create a really high hairstyle, we need to make a voluminous fringe. We will highlight this area at the highest point of the head. And we position the tail diagonally from the chin, or in continuation of the direction of the cheekbone line. Well, look how high my tail turned out, and now I need to add corresponding volumes on the sides so that my bun looks harmonious. Next we move on to the bun itself, and note that I make it a high shape by placing it slightly higher on the head, thus harmoniously completing our bun shape. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video format, please leave a comment, give a like and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it, and I am wishing you beautiful and easy hairstyling, and have a good day. Goodbye.